Joshua Blighty's story deals with, forgiveness and justice on a much larger scale, just given the nature of his crimes and how many people are affected by it. And in Hard Time, we were dealing with, people behind bars who had committed crimes against, one or two people and who were really grappling with that. And in both sets of projects, we found ourselves really trying to get to the heart of what, why did these people commit these crimes, and how did they deal with the aftermath and repercussions of it. And those are...
Yeah, I think Hard Time is very much about choices, and I think in some ways, in a lot of ways, the story of General Butt Naked is about choices. Once an individual commits whatever acts of violence, whatever criminal behavior, what are the choices they make after that? I think in this country, we all tend to think of the criminal justice narrative as sort of ending when, the gavel, strikes the bench and it's guilty. But Hard Time hopefully tries to let us into the lives of these individuals after that moment, where the narrative actually continues, and what are the choices that these individuals make.